Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to test a broker called Pocket Option for withdrawals. You've probably already noticed that ads for this broker are popping up everywhere, and today I'm going to check it out myself. I also plan to do a bit of trading here and prove to you that it's actually possible to withdraw money from this particular broker. So guys, I've been involved in trading for several years now. I've dealt with a lot of different brokers and worked with them over time. It turned out that some of them unfortunately don't process withdrawals. I understand that this is a pressing issue for many people right now, and today we're reviewing the broker Pocket Option. So let's get started. As you can see, I've deposited $2,000 into my account. This was done using the USDT TRC20 method, which is a commonly used and reliable way to make transactions. I also want to show you that there are actually a lot of available methods such as Shiba Inu and Solana, among others. You can easily top up your account with various different cryptocurrencies, and once the money arrives in your balance, guys, we have a brand new account. You can notice that. As you can clearly see, there are currently no candles or trading pairs here at all. We have USDT20 open, but today let's try trading the Euro to USDT pair. Let's take the AUD USDT pair as an example. Also guys, I recommend you set up the candles right away and add various indicators to your chart. It's all very easy to do, guys, really. The platform itself is designed very well. Everything is accessible and clear to use, so you can understand it individually somehow at your own pace. Let's take a couple of indicators. Let's use the CCI and the alligator. Set the trade amount. Guys, I think it's definitely time for us to go ahead and start now with $300, everyone. And then we'll see in detail how our trading progresses over time. I'm setting trades for 1 minute each. So let's open the first trade. Guys, actually I have a lot of experience in trading. More than 5,000 people trade with me. You can see this in my Telegram channel somewhere around here. I provide free trading signals, and I even have my own signal bot now, guys. So I absolutely know a bit about this, and I'm sharing my experience with you all. Guys, the situation with brokers on the market is actually very complicated right now. I understand that many of you don't start trading because you don't trust them. You think that you won't be able to withdraw your money and you'll get scammed. So today, guys, I'm here to prove to you and recommend a reliable broker. So we see that our first trade doesn't go through right away. Still, we open 2 more trades for an increase based on the indicators. According to the indicators, I can say that right now, at this particular moment in time, in general, the currency pair is in a stable and balanced state. Guys, actually most of my students and most of the people who have come through me, whom I've had the opportunity to help in some way or another, that's why I'm very glad and grateful that I can share this with you. For me personally, this is a huge relief. It's my idea, and honestly, I talk about all of this quite openly and sincerely. So guys, please show your activity in the comments with likes by joining my Telegram channel. Show me that I'm not doing all this in vain, because it really makes me very happy, and I'm truly very glad to share my knowledge and experiences with all of you. You all are like one big, absolutely wonderful family to me, and as a rule, it's not customary to deceive people in a family. So as you can see, we see that our very first trade goes through right here, and we take our first profit, guys. But I think there's no point in withdrawing $252, so I'll keep trading and try to increase this balance somehow. So what do we see? Well, we can observe that this currency pair is basically in a decline right now, so let's try to open a trade that follows the downward trend, and let's set that up as well, guys. I get a lot of feedback from you, and I receive messages of gratitude saying that you were able to buy something for yourselves. Thanks to me, it's really nice to read that, and I'm glad that I'm helping you. So guys, for now our trade is being opened. I also want to remind you that you can always write to me and ask any questions you have. I will always answer you, explain everything, and help with anything. I'm passionate about all of this. For me, it's like the meaning of life. So guys, don't hesitate. If you have any questions or if you need any assistance at any time, figuring out the platform. I'm always ready to help you, support you in any way I can. For me, it would be a huge heartfelt thing. Why did I choose the EUR-USD pair? The EUR-USD pair. I chose it because it's the most popular pair and there's a lot of trading happening on it. That's why it's the most ideal pair for beginners. By the way guys, I also wanted to tell you that we have a program called Social Trading. This is for those who don't want to get into trading themselves but want to earn money together with me. You just connect and my signals are automatically copied for you. They come through and you receive money and profit from the trades. So we have 7 seconds left. At the moment our trade is in a losing position, so let's increase the trade amount. Alright, I suggest that we go ahead and put in our entire remaining balance. Let's open a trade for a decrease right away. I also wanted to explain to you how my signal bot works. I have a signal bot called Vortex. It has more than 15 indicators and over 100 strategies loaded into it. It analyzes the market automatically and gives you a signal. You simply receive it, open a trade and take your profit. The win rate of this bot is over 90%. Guys, this is the highest win rate on the market. I'm very happy and very proud of myself for being able to create it. So 30 seconds left. As we can see, there is currently a downward trend which we supported, and for now we're taking the profit from this trade. I'm sure it will stay that way. Guys, how did I even get into trading? There was a period in my life when I truly didn't know what to do, where to direct my thoughts and focus my mind, or even what subject I should start learning about, and that is exactly when I discovered the world of trading. I have now been actively trading on the financial market for a little over 5 years. For me, it's just unimaginable. It's a huge experience. And back in the day, people also shared different strategies with me, so now I feel it's my duty to share them with you. After all, one of you might become more successful than anyone else. Guys, anything is possible. The main thing is just to believe in yourself. By the way, we're already taking profit from this trade. Well, let's open the last trade for $500. This one will be for an increase. Also guys, I just wanted to tell you that it's actually really challenging for me to do all of this at the same time, running a Telegram channel, making videos. And for me, the biggest support and motivation is you exactly. Your comments, messages, your subscription to my Telegram channel, all of that really motivates me. I really enjoy communicating with you, giving advice, helping you out and figuring out your questions. Guys, it's just an incredible experience. I feel the energy in it and I realize that I'm not doing all this for nothing. So guys, please, I sincerely ask you to support me in the comments by subscribing to the channel, by following and so on. I also want to tell you that unlike many others out there, all my products are absolutely and completely free of charge. That means you don't have to pay anything for them, you just get them and trade as you wish. So guys, I just want you to earn money together with me as a team. So our transaction is currently going back, so let's open another one for a decrease. In general guys, there are a lot of brokers on the market and the most important thing is to choose the one that's right for you. Today we're reviewing Pocket Option. This platform is very popular. I'm sure you had a lot of questions about it, and one of them, and most importantly, it's the fear that they won't let you withdraw your money guys. And that's why in this video I'm going to prove all of this to you. Guys, another good thing about Pocket Option is that everything here is very accessible and easy to understand. So you don't need to figure anything out. Everything basically happens automatically. There are most payment methods available, both for deposits and withdrawals. There's also some kind of game design element, meaning there are various tournaments where you can compete with different traders from all around the world, and you can also read the latest news and updates here as well. And there's also a chat feature, so guys, the platform is very diverse and multifunctional. It's not just focused on trading, it's like a big vibrant community, and that's exactly why so many people decide to join it. In our last trade, we've already managed to make $1,000 in profit, so I think it's definitely time to withdraw our profit and enjoy the results. So guys, we're smoothly moving on to the process of withdrawing our funds together. We managed to earn $1,015. I can't help but be happy about that. Well, now let's test this broker's withdrawal process. So I'm choosing the USDT TRC20 wallet, and the amount will be $300. I'll leave the rest of the money on the balance for my future trades. I'm confident that I can increase it. And if you want to grow your money together with me, guys, then I highly recommend that you head over to the Telegram channel. There you'll be able to find all the main information you need. In addition to that, we also have a Signals group, a Signal bot, and copy trading services, as I've already mentioned before. So now I'm entering the address of my wallet and clicking continue. And now we're being asked to enter the code from the email that is linked to this account. Let's meet again once I've entered this code and the money has been credited to my balance. Alright guys, I've already submitted the withdrawal request and I'm waiting for the funds to arrive. It's been approximately 10 minutes. I think that's not too long. The funds should arrive on Bybit soon. So let's refresh the page. And wait, basically withdrawal time is also a very common question. Guys, don't worry, the broker doesn't want to cheat you. There's no point in it for them. Their reputation is worth more than your money. The broker doesn't want to lose that reputation, and if the withdrawal takes a while, it's nothing to worry about. Sometimes withdrawals can be delayed for a variety of reasons, or there might be some unexpected technical issues that arise, but there's really no need to stress or worry about it. Basically, you always have access to some kind of helpful tech support, for example on Pocket, which is always available to assist you if needed. In general, you can always ask a question. They will answer you and explain why your funds haven't arrived and how you can resolve the issue. So no one is trying to deceive you guys, and as you can see, $300 has already been credited to my balance. Guys, that's the $300 I withdrew. The broker has successfully passed verification. You can work with them. I really like the platform itself. It's truly excellent and it has a lot of different interactive elements. So guys, I absolutely recommend it to you, and thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Go to the channel, subscribe, and also subscribe to my Telegram. There's a lot more information there. Guys, I have to say goodbye to you, so see you all next time.